Are you looking for advice on how to generate money online? You've arrived to the correct location. The summer of 2021 has been dubbed the summer of quitting. According to the most recent employment report, the Department of Labor, 4 million Americans abandoned their jobs in April 2021 alone, the largest increase in history. Sure, the economy is flourishing and there are more employment options, but the epidemic has spawned another motivation: generating money online. After all, who wants to return to the workplace after working remotely for almost a year? It turns out that nowadays, you don't need to walk into an office to generate money, which means you may travel the world or live anywhere you choose. Furthermore, while the epidemic devastated many businesses, it encouraged tremendous growth in others, particularly internet enterprises that help individuals generate money. Tutor.me, for example, which links students with subject matter experts who may earn money online by providing their teaching talents, saw use more than quadruple in 2020. Similarly, Italki, a language learning community that links students and teachers for one-on-one online language classes, had a more than 100% rise in customer use growth over the last year. You don't have to be a certified instructor to earn money on Italki, a platform where millions of people pay native speakers from all over the world to learn a foreign language. Teachers promote their services on Italki using a marketplace akin to Airbnb, ranging from language classes to chat sessions. You establish your own rates, and the more positive feedback you receive, the more money you may make. Unlike teaching in a classroom, you have a lot of flexibility. You can pick which students to work with, build personalized courses, organize your sessions around your schedule, and teach from wherever you choose. Languages such as English and Spanish are in high demand, but the sky is the limit. People teach unusual languages such as Basque, Esperanto, and Sign Language. Do you enjoy expressing your point of view? Surveys are a terrific and simple way to get money online. Vindale is one of the most prominent venues for this. This is how it works. You provide demographic information about yourself, and the firm matches you to surveys in which you get paid to answer questions or test items. Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Product Report Card, and Survey Club are examples of comparable survey platforms. And here's the thing: the more signups you have, the more money you may make. Do you want to supplement your income? Swagbucks, a prominent startup, offers a free loyalty and consumer rewards program that pays you to conduct daily online activities like exploring the web, playing games, watching videos, or buying online. You'll be rewarded in the form of SB points, which you can exchange for gift cards or cash. Because so many schools have gone online in the last year, the tutoring industry has flourished, paving the path for firms like Los Angeles-based Tutor.me to thrive. This online tutoring platform's objective is to level the academic playing field for students worldwide by linking them with online instructors in under 30 seconds, utilizing an AI-powered matching mechanism. The nationwide network of online instructors at Tutor.me uses a sophisticated lesson environment that includes video chat, screen sharing, virtual whiteboards, and other features. The pandemic not only created an urgent need for remote learning solutions such as online tutoring, it illuminated an ongoing need for personalized academic support for students, whether it be to address learning gaps or to help students reach higher goals for themselves, says co-founder and CEO Miles Hunter. Have you heard that affiliate marketing might be profitable, but you're not sure what it is or where to start? Affiliate marketing is a method of making money by suggesting a product or service that pays you a commission for introducing customers. This may be accomplished by first creating a blog, YouTube channel, website, email list, or social media profile, and then inserting affiliate links. But here's where it gets confusing: there are an infinite number of firms with affiliate programs that will pay you money. QLink supports entrepreneurs who have content development talents but lack reach and traffic, by linking them to firms that will pay you for your links. The way it works is that the firm sends outbound traffic your way and assists you in effectively monetizing your content with no effort. Are you an expert at networking? Check out Webtalk, which employs a next-generation personal and professional networking platform and distributes money to its members. Anyone who wishes to utilize social media to establish or build a company, whether full-time or as a side hustle, may use this tool to organize their connections and target information that is particular to a group. Simply utilizing the site earns users points and income. Another advantage of Webtalk is the ability to publish publicly or privately on social media, making it simpler to get the correct information in front of the right people and generate money. Want to start a business and build a prosperous profession from the comfort of your own home? Breakaway Bookkeeping and Advising features a one-of-a-kind franchise concept that allows you to start a business as an accountant, bookkeeper, virtual CFO, or other role providing remote accounting services to small businesses. Furthermore, you don't have to be an accountant to join, making it a perfect job for someone wishing to transfer sectors or gain more flexibility in their work-life balance. Do you have any artistic abilities? On Etsy, artists may make money by selling their handmade items, but the fact is that it takes a lot of labor to fully compete in that industry, since sellers must handle every element of their company, from invention to execution to shipping. Redbubble, a print-on-demand business that allows users to design and sell their works, is a novel concept that makes things easier for independent artists. Artists choose which pieces to exhibit, and Redbubble handles all of the printing on a variety of more than 60 goods including t-shirts, mugs, and coasters, then ships to practically everywhere on the planet. Look around you. Definitely there's a lot of goods you could sell, such as cell phones, tablets, computers, CDs, DVDs, books, and other items. According to a recent poll, Americans have an estimated $43 billion in underutilized equipment in their homes, which equates to nearly $199 in technology each household. Declutter, a buyback service, allows customers to sell their technology for free and receive reimbursement the day after their things arrive in the warehouse. Declutter offers free shipping labels, allowing you to print, box, and ship from the comfort of your own home, eliminating the need to visit a real business. Eco ATM Gazelle, a simple platform to sell outdated electronics while also making the world a greener, happier place, is another firm that lets individuals resell their digital devices in a green way. Do you have any clothing lying around? Tradesy is the best option. Have you ever wanted to invest in the stock market but haven't known where to start? Check out Robinhood, the first app to provide commission-free trading. The firm, which just went public, is dedicated to democratizing investing and making markets more accessible to young investors. Furthermore, because Robinhood offers no account minimums, you may start trading stocks right now with just a few dollars. Acorns is another simple investment instrument. This is how it works. When you make a purchase, Acorns rounds it up, collects the difference, and invests it for you, producing a passive income stream that can be converted into real money.